Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shell Recharge RFID pass setup for USA chargers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have your Shell Recharge RFID pass in hand. Visit the Shell Recharge website or download the Shell Recharge app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account with your credentials. Locate the option for Add RFID Pass in the app or website. Select your RFID pass type when prompted. Enter the unique identification number found on your RFID pass. Provide any additional information requested, such as your vehicle details. Confirm that all entered information is accurate. Submit your authorization request for the RFID pass. Wait for a confirmation email or notification to arrive. Once confirmed, open the Shell Recharge app. Find the nearest Shell charging station available for your RFID pass. At the charging station, follow the on-screen prompts to start charging. Hold your RFID pass near the designated card reader at the station. Wait for the reader to recognize your pass and authorize the session. Once authorized, the charging will begin automatically. Keep track of charging progress through the app or station display. After charging is complete, safely disconnect your vehicle. Remember to take your RFID pass with you after charging is done. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section on the website or app. Feel free to reach out to customer support for further assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.